So right now we're on top of a volcanic dome. This is Save Mount Diablo's Marsh Creek 6 property. We acquired the property back in 2011 primarily to protect a section of Marsh Creek which crosses it, about 250 feet. The riparian area is really important because in Contra Costa County, water is a scarce resource. A lot of rare and endangered plants and animals need the water in order to survive. In addition to the really beautiful section of creek and unique plants and botany that are found up on the hill here, there was also 2 houses, a carport, and several outbuildings. So it was pretty simple. We decided to take down the house because it was going to cost a lot more to fix it up than to take it down. There were several sections that were teetering over the cliff-like hillsides, and we just thought that it would be a good decision to take down the house and then restore some of the native habitat that was once found here. So demolishing several structures like this was a pretty big undertaking. We relied heavily on a lot of our partners and sponsors to help us with some of the planning. Our friends from IBEW, Garaventa Enterprises, Expert Tree were some of the big players that helped us get the ball rolling on making sure that we were able to safely and appropriately take down the structures so that we could eventually restore the habitat that's found here. Throughout the process of the demolition, stewards and volunteers were used quite extensively. One of our property stewards was actually on site. The entire stewardship committee really did most of the planning work beforehand. So the champion of the project was Garaventa Enterprises. They dedicated hundreds of hours of hard work and basically made the project financially possible. So now that the houses are gone, the really fun stuff gets to happen. This area was once home to tons of rare Contra Costa manzanitas, which are a unique species that only are found in the Mount Diablo area, so they're endemic to this region. Now that the house is out of the way, we're going to move in following a restoration plan that we designed and start to expand the native stand of manzanitas and also expand some of the native vegetation that's found here. Some of our volunteers are going to help us control erosion, and we're going to plant a whole pallet of native plants